Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing about a very interesting product for you all, and that is NEUD Expose Yourself After Hair Removal Lotion. I'm sure most of you after waxing or shaving face skin irritation, you get boils on your skin gets inflamed and you get burning sensation and whatnot. I personally have sensitive skin and have faced all those problems after waxing or shaving. Now this product over here, it's going to restore the pH balance which gets disturbed after shaving or waxing. This is literally a miracle in a bottle, and we're going to be discussing all about this product in this video. But before doing so, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. Now let's get started. So like I told you, this is NEUD Expose Yourself After Hair Removal Lotion. It comes in a beautiful packaging like this, which feels very luxurious and premium. And when you open this up, you get a bottle like this, which has got a black and gold color to it, and it has got a pump applicator at the top. Now I feel this is a very convenient and easy to use packaging, and pump applicators definitely ensure that there is no product wastage. For 100 gram of the product, you have to pay 290 rupees, which is very convenient and pocket friendly. I feel product is white in color, and it's like your cream or moisturizer but with extra benefits and extra goodness, because this is going to revitalize your skin after you have waxed or shaved. It is specially made for that. Apply the product generously on the affected area, spread it evenly, and allow the product to get absorbed in your skin. You do not absolutely need to rinse or wipe the product. It is like a cream. It is going to moisturize, hydrate the skin, repair the skin, and it's going to soothe the skin, and it's going to calm the affected area by restoring the pH which has been disturbed there. It has got such good ingredients like aqua, aloe vera, jojoba oil, sunflower oil, lavender oil, clove oil, vitamin E, menthol, glycerin, etc. All these products are extremely hydrating, and they actually help the skin in so many ways. I feel this is a very good moisturizer on its own, extremely hydrating for your skin as well. Apply liberally on the skin after waxing or using hair removal cream. Allow NEUD After Hair Removal Lotion to get absorbed fully. Do not rinse or wipe the skin. In case you are wondering, this is paraben free and it is GMP approved. It's absolutely safe to be used by all men and women. Now often after waxing or shaving, you get a very foul smell, you don't feel comfortable. If I tell you frankly, your skin doesn't feel well. In order to make your skin feel comfortable, restore the pH, give comfort to your skin, you can go ahead and give this product a try. You would agree when I say the skin's pH balance gets disturbed due to hair removal cream or waxing. This can cause skin irritation and inflammation. While wax can cause skin boils, hair removal creams may expose your skin to harsh chemicals that stress and dehydrate it. NEUD After Hair Removal Lotion restores the skin's pH balance after hair removal, gets rid of the foul smell of hair removal cream or wax, prevents skin itching, rashes and inflammation, soothes and calms the skin after hair removal, moisturizes the skin and prevents dryness, gives instant relief from the harsh effects of hair removing agents. Now for storage purpose, it is recommended that you keep it away from direct sunlight. The consistency of the product is not very thick. It's very gentle and mild on the skin. The moment you apply it, instantly feel a calming and cooling sensation, and the best part is that it is very convenient to travel with. It is extremely pocket friendly, and this product is one of a kind. I personally am really very impressed with this product, and I would definitely recommend you all to go ahead and give this product a try and see the amazing results for yourself. In case you're wondering, I'm going to be leaving the links of purchasing the product in the description box as usual, so go ahead and get your hands on it. So guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or queries. I love you guys so much. I'll be back very soon with yet another interesting video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling. Bye.